ang advice ko kay Mayor Duterte, just be yourself, enjoy the campaign. Kung may gustong humalik sa'yo, di payagan mo. Kung may gusto kang halikan, di magpaalam ka. Ganun na lang siguro. But duda ako doon na just because meron po siyang nahalikan na 2 o 3 sa lips ay apektado na po ang kanyang kandidatura. I doubt that. I think people will be forgiving and understanding. At saka the video and the photos do not tell the whole story. How many of our countrymen get the chance to be that near or close to a presidential candidate, and allowing the presidential candidate allows them to kiss him or to mga ganun. So basta ang importante po rito, wala pong mali siya doon. And these were his supporters, by the way, supporters po nila yun who traveled hundreds of kilometers to see him. So ano po ito? I think they were enjoying themselves. They were celebrating his visit to Pampanga. So I think the people will understand, and kung meron man na hindi nakagusto, ultimately or in time, he will be understood and forgiven.